standing 480 feet tall and 4,500 years old. What secrets lie hidden inside this ancient pyramid?
To unlock these mysteries, researchers sent a robotic camera deep inside. What they discovered would astound the world.
The camera navigated narrow shafts no human could enter. Ancient passages untouched for millennia slowly revealed themselves.
The camera stopped at a mysterious stone slab. Two metal pins protruded. What lay beyond this ancient barrier? Researchers believed a profound secret lay behind this slab, sealed and hidden for 4,500 years.
They used a precision drill attached to the robot. A tiny hole would breach the barrier. A camera was sent through. It would see what no human eyes had witnessed for millennia.
There are 138 pyramids in Egypt. They've survived earthquakes and storms for thousands of years. The tallest and largest is the Great Pyramid of Giza, an engineering marvel that defies explanation. Its base covers 13 acres. That's enough space to fit 9 football fields inside. It contains 2.3 million individual stone blocks, each one placed with incredible precision.
Some stones weigh up to 50 tons. That's 5,000 kilograms. Imagine moving that without modern machinery.
The total weight is 6 million tons. That equals 12 Burj Khalifa skyscrapers. Absolutely mind-boggling. But what was the purpose of these magnificent structures? Why invest such enormous effort?
Built when humans lacked modern tools. No steel, no engines, no electricity. Just human ingenuity. How were the walls leveled inch by inch? How did they achieve such precision without lasers?
How were 50-ton stones lifted 480 feet high? No cranes existed. No pulleys strong enough.
Who were the engineers who made them earthquake-proof? Their knowledge seems impossible for the era. And how did they align all 4 sides at exactly 51.5 degrees? Mathematical perfection. Challenge 1. How did they align the pyramid to cardinal directions without a compass?
Experts discovered the pyramid aligns perfectly with Earth's cardinal points. But how? Without modern instruments.
They likely used polar stars. These stars circle Earth's North Pole, visible every night throughout the year.
By tracking these circumpolar stars, they determined Earth's true poles. Simple observation yielded perfect accuracy.
This basic technique achieved 0 errors. No optical instruments needed. Just careful observation and patience.
Challenge 2. Leveling the 13-acre foundation. Any error would make the structure unstable.
Even a slight error in the base would doom the 2.3 million stone structure. Perfection was essential.
They dug trenches around the site and filled them with water. Water always finds its own level naturally. Any ground higher than the water level was marked. Workers then chiseled it down precisely. They also used simple A-frame tools with plumb bobs. If the string hit center, the ground was flat.
Through patience and ingenuity, they achieved a perfectly level 13-acre foundation. Construction could begin.
Challenge 3. Starting construction. They needed 2.3 million precisely cut stones.
How? They had no grinders, no jackhammers, no diamond blades. How did they cut massive 50-ton blocks?
They used a single tool, the copper chisel. But copper is soft metal. How could it cut stone?
They added a secret ingredient, arsenic. Copper-arsenic alloy created a much harder metal capable of cutting limestone. Workers spent countless hours hammering these chisels. Slowly, methodically, they shaped each massive block.
Challenge 4. Transporting stones from Torah quarries to Giza, 250 kilometers away. Each 50-ton block weighs as much as 3 passenger buses, and they needed millions of them.
No animal was strong enough. No carts could bear the weight. Moving 2.3 million blocks seemed impossible. They used the River Nile. Egypt's natural highway provided the solution. Water could bear enormous weight. Stones were loaded onto massive specialized boats. These vessels traveled from Torah quarries directly to pyramid sites. An arm of 500 laborers was likely needed for each stone. Loading and unloading required incredible coordination.
Challenge 5. Lifting blocks 480 feet high. How did they elevate millions of tons vertically?
Once on site, blocks had to be stacked with extreme precision. Each stone fit perfectly against neighbors.
Experts suggest spiral ramps built around the pyramid. These tracks gradually rose as construction progressed upward. Large teams pulled blocks up ramps using sleds. Lubrication reduced friction. Coordination was essential. Challenge 6. The granite mystery. While exteriors are limestone, inner chambers are made of solid granite.
Granite is one of Earth's hardest stones, second only to diamond. How did they cut it? Copper-arsenic chisels cannot cut granite. Simple saws are useless. The mystery deepens. What method worked?
Yet the granite chambers show perfectly smooth cuts. 4,500 years ago, they achieved this impossible feat.
They used a toothless copper saw. Not the blade itself, but what they added made cutting possible.
Combined with abrasive sand containing quartz and emery. These minerals are harder than granite itself.
The saw moved back and forth. Heavy weights pressed down. The abrasive sand did the actual cutting.
This process was incredibly slow. Cutting one granite block could take 4 months of constant labor. The workforce was enormous. Tens of thousands of skilled laborers worked simultaneously for decades.
Organizing this massive project required sophisticated management, planning, logistics, coordination, all without computers.
Workers needed food, water, shelter. Entire support cities were built. The logistics were as impressive as construction itself.
These weren't slaves. They were skilled craftsmen, engineers, and artisans. Pride in their work shows in every stone.
Construction took over 20 years. Multiple generations of workers contributed. It was a multi-decade national project.
The mathematics were sophisticated. Geometry, trigonometry, precise calculations. Their mathematical knowledge was extraordinary.
Pyramids align with Orion's belt constellation. Astronomy and architecture merged. Heaven and earth connected through stone. Internal chambers show equal sophistication. The Grand Gallery's corbelled ceiling demonstrates advanced structural understanding.
The King's Chamber ceiling beams support millions of tons above.
Air shafts extend through the pyramid. Were they for ventilation, religious purposes, or astronomical alignment? Mystery remains.
Originally covered in smooth white limestone casing. Polished brilliantly, it gleamed like a mirror under Egypt's sun.
Visible from miles away, gleaming white against desert sands. A beacon of Egyptian power and engineering triumph.
Over centuries, casing stones were removed, used for other buildings. The smooth exterior was lost to time and human need.
Today's stepped appearance is core structure exposed. The smooth surface vanished long ago, but majesty remains.
Research continues today. Modern technology reveal new secrets. Yet mysteries remain unsolved after 4,500 years.
Advanced scanning detected possible hidden chambers. What else lies concealed within? Future discoveries await.
These ancient engineers understood principles modern engineers still use. Physics, mathematics, structural integrity, timeless knowledge.
The pyramids stand as testament to human ingenuity. What we can achieve when vision meets determination.
Despite modern science, mysteries endure. Some secrets may never be fully revealed.
Remember the robotic camera? It breached that ancient sealed door. What lay beyond after 4 to 500 years?
The camera revealed another chamber. Markings on walls. More mysteries awaiting explanation. But that's another story.
For 45 centuries, these monuments have inspired wonder. Ancient engineers built the impossible.